Hello, this is Steve from the Fluorescent Flying Penguins. Today I'm going to be talking about the loop block in EV3 and what it does. So, if you don't know what a loop block does, it allows you to make a string of code repeat over and over and over till a condition is set as true. So, these are all the conditions that you can ask about in the loop. So, there are the sensors, and then there's these four: unlimited, count, logic, and time. So, let me explain the two that you'll probably be using the most: unlimited and count. So, what unlimited does is it makes the loop repeat over and over forever, and you can't stop it unless you stop the entire program. And count, you can put in a wire or you can just write the number, and it tells the loop how many times to repeat. So if I set it as 10, the loop will repeat 10 times. If I set it as 20, it will repeat 20 times, and so on. Let me show you a program I made. Okay, so what this program has is it has a loop inside of a loop. So the outside loop is unlimited, which means it will repeat forever. And there are four inside loops, which are set as count, and inside they have two sounds in them. So let me run this program for you. I want you to notice something when I run it. The lights of the blocks that are running will turn on. Okay, there's still two more features: the name and the loop index. Let me show you what those are. So if I take out a loop, on the top thing, you can change the name. All you have to do is click on it. So I can change the name to Bob, for example. Also, over here, you can use something called the loop index. What the loop index does is it outputs the number of times the loop has repeated. So if the loop has repeated 10 times, it'll output a value of 10. If it's repeated 20 times, it'll output a value of 20, and so on. Thank you for watching this episode of Programming with EV3. Thank you and goodbye.